Hiding icons in Classlink. Are you interested in hiding the icons that you don't use on a daily basis? Let's create a folder to hide them. First, let's look in the top right for the edit mode. Let's make sure we're on the Create tab, and then let's select New Folder. Let's type the name for our new folder. I'm going to type Extras, and I've also selected the color red for my folder. Let's press Save.
Let's begin by dragging an icon into our Extras folder. It moved. I'll try again. Drag the icon into the Extras folder, and then continue to drag other icons that are not used on a daily basis into the Extras folder. You can see in this folder I now have 22 icons dragged inside of my Extras folder. I tried to drag a folder into a folder. For example, here we go. It does not work. So I just recommend dragging them to possibly the end or the last space inside of Classlink. But that's all there is to it as far as creating one folder with icons that are not used. If you want to pull icons out of the folder, click the X and all of them will appear back on your home screen of Classlink. Now you're ready to organize the icons to meet your needs.